Secrets of Ancient Yoga of India. Secrets of Regenerating Subtle Energies. Secrets of Empowering Mind. Secrets of True Inner Being. Secrets of Healthy Mind and Body. Secrets of Yoga.
Yoga has a lot of benefits. It works on your physical level, mental level, emotional level, and as well as on your spiritual level. But people think that they are not very flexible, so they cannot practice yoga. But the regular practice of yoga will make you flexible. Regular practice of yoga maintains physical body in optimum condition and promotes the healthy life even in an unhealthy body. Now we'll start with the pranayama alternative breathing. Sit in a meditative mudra, your back straight, and close your left nostril with your little finger and ring finger. And first exhale through your right nostril and then inhale. And then close your right nostril with your thumb and open your left nostril and then again exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. You can start with the 20 cycles and gradually you can increase and use your abdomen for the whole process. And the inhalation and exhalation should be rhythmic, the ratio and pressure should be equal. And this is the ultimate medicine for your mental problem. It releases your anxiety, your stress. Let's start with the warm-up. Sit straight, your back straight, and inhale, stretch your arms up and lengthen your back. Inhale, and now exhale, drop your right hand over your right knee and hold your knee strongly, and exhale, take your right hand back and fingertips on the ground closer to your hip. Now bend your left elbow pointing front and twist. Your arms strong. The next asana is Asana. And this asana is very helpful for inducing relaxation. It releases your stress and anxiety. So sit in the Dhyan Virasana like your right knee over your left knee. Okay. Now stretch your left arm out and fold it behind your back. And now stretch your right arm up and fold it over your right shoulder and clasp your fingers and try to sit straight and stay in this position for 2 to 3 minutes. And then practice with the another side, your left knee uppermost and your left hand folded over your left shoulder. Next asana is Janu Sheshasana, the spinal twisting pose. This asana gives a very good lateral stretch to your body and also give beneficial compression to your abdominal muscles. So open your both legs and bend your right knee and your right leg closer to your body. Okay. Sit straight and inhale and incline towards your left side and hold your left foot with your left hand, your fingers in contact with the arch and your thumb on the top, and now your elbow on the ground. Okay, now as you exhale, bend, try to hold your left foot with your left hand. Now relax your back, open your chest and twist. And now release your hands and again lift your right hand over your head and exhale.